Two men held county deputies at bay for 2 hours
and might have believed that they were above the law. Well, now one of them is still being uncooperative, this time in court.
Michael Hicks and David Gallen refused to exit their truck after being pulled over by sheriff's deputies. Eventually, they were cut out of their seat belts and arrested. Deputies brought in extra resources because the men were identified as sovereign citizens who don't respect authority. KXY4's Ian Cull was at both the men's court appearance today and explains they are still not being cooperative, right, Ian?
No, they're not, Mike. And sovereign citizen, as you said, are not really known for responding to or respecting any type of law enforcement. Today, one of the men said he also doesn't respect the court, and for that, the sheriff had extra deputies in the room.
Are you Michael F. Hicks?
Yeah. No, my name is Michael Francis of the Hicks family.
55-year-old Michael Hicks said he did not understand his rights in court, didn't understand the charges against him, and didn't understand anything, and even declined to say his name.
I don't understand.
Hicks eventually expressed he doesn't abide to the court's jurisdiction over him.
I don't consent and I don't plead to the court of contracts.
We learned today Hicks and his passenger David Gallen, who we'll get to in a second, were pulled over yesterday because the truck didn't have a valid license plate, but also because on July 24th a corrections officer saw the truck following him with two men in it. He identified it as a sovereign citizen's truck and called police, but the men were never arrested until yesterday.
They had absolutely no respect. They had no desire to comply with any of our commands, and that was just to exit the vehicle. And they turned that into a long, drawn-out situation that ate up a lot of our resources.
Today, they're being charged with obstructing and refusing to cooperate for the standoff yesterday. David Gallen was compliant and was released on his own recognizance. Michael Hicks, on the other hand, was not compliant and will head to Eastern State Hospital to see if he's mentally fit to answer questions in court. Deputies say it could be another sovereign citizen ploy to clog the court system, something they say Michael Hicks does understand.
I don't understand.
I spoke with Hicks' wife and son afterwards off camera. They said that they agree with him. But as for his brother, David Gallen, who complied in court, they say that he did not follow Hicks' advice. We also learned today that Gallen receives $700 a month in state assistance. Ian Cull, KXOI4 HG News.